The sun's going down as I try to make my way through the crowd. Feeling alive, I love being by your side. It makes me shine. We got one summer.
Selamat sore Pen. Hari ini saya berkunjung di kandang Metro Bird Farm, peternak perkutut Bangkok yang ada di Kota Malang. Lokasinya di Jalan Legend Suparman, Gang 4 nomor 24. Kecamatannya itu Blimbing. Ya. Bisa main-main ke sini kalau nyari bahan untuk burung perkutut ya. Oke. Ikuti liputan-liputan saya.
Forever. Do you hear that sound? Can you feel the music? Let's get wild. We're magic, you and I. They call us reckless, but we don't mind. We got one summer, so let's make it count. You make me feel like everything's alright. Let's dance our problems away in the night. Love being right next to you. You'll be on my mind. I'll be dreaming about this till the end of time. We are young, we are free, down for the ride. Might be over tomorrow, but we got to stay forever. Yeah, we got the summer forever. If it's only for now, I don't mind. Cause I know that your love is endless. If it's only for now, I don't.
Ini Pak Haji, kalau teman-teman mau beli perkutut hasil dari Metro ini bisa kemana alamatnya Pak?
Jalan Legend Suparman, Gang 4 nomor 24.
4 nomor 24. Ini menyediakan apa Pak? Bahan ya.
Bahan.
Nah, mulai harga berapa? Paling murah Pak?
Paling murah ya 500. Kalau masih pilihan rumahan ya paling 150-an. Kalau pilihan lomba itu yang lain.
Oke. Ini ya hasil dari Peng Metro ya. Ini usia 2,5 bulan sampai 3 bulan Pak.